Assalamualaikum everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today's topic for the video is KHULA. First of all, we are going to discuss that what are the two rights which has been given to the husband and wife if they are seeking the dissolution of marriage. So as per Islamic laws, there are two rights which has been given to the husband and wife. That is, for husband it is a talaq, which is also known as divorce, which is the right which has been given to the husband if he is seeking to part his ways with his wife. Similar to that, the right of khula has been granted to the wife if she is looking forward to part her ways with her husband. जो डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ मैरिज है उसके बेसिकली कुछ ग्राउंड्स होते हैं. लेट्स से इफ द हस्बैंड हैज फेल्ड टू प्रोवाइड हिज वाइफ विद द मेंटेनेंस और ही इज नॉट लुकिंग आफ्टर द चिल्ड्रन or if he has deserted his wife, if he is having marital extramarital affairs and he is not performing his marital duties or obligations, and if he is subjecting his wife to domestic violence and whatsoever. So, under the Islamic law, the wife has a right to have the marital ties broken by the verdict of the court if the court reaches to the conclusion that it is not possible for the spouses to live within the injunctions as laid down in Holy Quran and Sunnah. जो खुला है उसका एक प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर फॉलो होता है, ठीक है, इन द कोर्ट. जो फीमेल्स हैं दोज हु आर सीकिंग द डिसोल्यूशन ऑफ मैरिज बाय वे ऑफ खुला, सो दे हैव टू फॉलो अ प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर फॉर दैट. और उसकी कुछ कंडीशंस होती हैं जस्ट लाइक दोज फीमेल्स जो खुला जो है वो अपना ग्रांट करवाना चाहती हैं फ्रॉम द कोर्ट और उनको ग्रांट हो जाती है. सो फॉर दैट उनको जो डावर अमाउंट होती है दे हैव टू रिटर्न द डावर अमाउंट बैक टू देयर हस्बैंड. Once the decree of khula has been granted from the honorable court, after it the reconciliation period begins. ये जो reconciliation period होता है ये for 90 days होता है, and the reason for this reconciliation period is that if the husband and wife they are willing to reconcile with each other, and if there is any space for the compromise so that they would start with their marital life again. So ये इसलिए होता है ताकि both husband and wife जो है वो mutual understanding से if they are willing, अगर वो साथ रहना चाहते हैं अपनी marital life को continue करना चाहते हैं तो वो एक दूसरे के साथ compromise कर सकते हैं. In case if they fail to compromise or reconcile, तो after this the end of this 90 days period जो है वो खुला का सर्टिफिकेट ग्रांट होता है, इशू होता है from the union council, और after it both husband and wife are considered as free from their marital obligations. So now after the grant of खुला और जब reconciliation period भी end हो जाता है, खुला का सर्टिफिकेट इशू होता है, if now both the husband and wife are willing to reunite with each other, तो उनके पास जो है ये ऑप्शन अगेन होता है कि they can remarry with each other after solemnizing a fresh nikah. इस चीज़ को लेकर काफ़ी लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा misconceptions हैं, बहुत सारे myths हैं that if two people have parted their ways and they are free from the marital obligation, so they cannot remarry with each other. और अगर if they are willing to remarry तो उसके रिगार्डिंग बहुत सारे certain myths हैं that they will have to do so and so things. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. Why? Because since khula is a single form of divorce and since the divorce has to be pronounced thrice, so the pronouncement of khula would amount to the single form of divorce. Until the divorce is pronounced thrice, the husband would be at liberty to remarry his wife, and both the spouses can begin with their marital life again, and they can remarry after the solemnization of a fresh nikah. So there are several case law references and citations over the remarrying and solemnization of a fresh nikah after the pronouncement of khula, since it is a single form of divorce, and until it is pronounced thrice. So that's all for today, and thank you very much.